Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to multiply by 2023 to the power of s on numerator and denominator. Next, we need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to 2023 to the power of s. Next, we do first derivative for the both sides. And we have like this because we don't have ln of 2023, so we need to divide both sides by ln 2023. This one we change by u. This one we change by u. This one we change by the u over ln of 2023. The u I will put in here. So we need to add u. Later that we need to minus about u. So this one divide by this one, we have number 1. U divide by u, we have number 1. So the integration of 1 over u, we have ln of the absolute value of u. The integration of this one, we have ln of the absolute value of 1 plus u. And I will put about c. About u, that is about this one. Next, we have the second formula in here. So this one, we have s ln of 2023. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.